What's the meaning of Alistair Cooke? Alistair Cooke. Alistair Cooke. Alistair Cooke. Alistair Cooke. Alistair Cooke.
Alistair Cooke was a British-American journalist, television personality, and radio broadcaster. He is best known for his weekly BBC radio program, Letter from America, which he presented for over 58 years, from 1946 until his retirement in 2004. Cooke was widely respected for his engaging and informative storytelling, and his commentaries on American culture, politics, and society were enjoyed by audiences on both sides of the Atlantic. His legacy continues today, and he is remembered as one of the most influential and beloved broadcasters of the 20th century.